Building a day trading system on GSB. In this video we will build a day trading system on the S&P 500 E-mini-S contract using 30-minute data. Remember, you can pause this video at any time if we're moving too quickly. Have your GSB and trading software open so you can follow the steps. Open GSB Manager and a GSB worker on your PC. You will automatically get access to one or more cloud workers to speed up system development. The settings for system building in GSB can be found in the left-hand menu. In the strategy section, the default setting of 3 indicators, and secondary filter mode being set to enabled, is fine for this demonstration. Make sure the S symbol has been added as a futures symbol. It should be there by default. For other, new futures symbols, view the video on setting up a futures contract. The S data we'll use in this demonstration is already provided as part of the GSB installation. If you would like to use your own data files, export the files from your trading software. View the video on setting up data for instructions on setting up data. Back to the left-hand menu in GSB. In the optimization data field, choose 29, 30 and 31-minute data for the S&P E-mini contract. Under the verification price data field in the left-hand menu, select, as a minimum, 25 and 35-minute data of the S&P E-mini contract. We've also added 26-minute and 34-minute data, plus some 30-minute data with 5 ticks and 10 ticks of random noise. Under costs you can add slippage and commission at your desired level. In the trading periods section, change NTH day mode from all to trade. Doing this will skip every second day in the backtesting. This powerful feature means your out-of-sample data occurs right throughout your data set, not just at the beginning. At the end of the test we will make the data available and view the performance report on the skipped data to assess the system's robustness. Under the exits header we will set a stop loss of $1,500, but you can choose any level. Also under exits, make sure the MOC market on close field is set to true. This is how you determine if the system will be a day trading system or a swing trading system. Under the general header you can choose the orientation of the system, either long only, long and short, or short only. Let's do a long only day trading system. We've selected long only, but you can select whichever type of system you like. Hit the play button and GSB will start building systems for you. Remember, use GSB Manager with GSB workers. It builds systems faster than GSB standalone, and gives you access to the GSB cloud. We'll run GSB for 10 to 20 minutes or so. Once you've run GSB for your chosen length of time and you have a bunch of systems, press the stop button. You can sort the systems by any of the column metrics. Now to the business end. There was a time where I always picked the best system in backtesting, but it's future performance that counts. There are a number of things to do to find a robust system. Firstly, to view the results of the trading systems on the days we skipped in backtesting, click the top left-hand cell in the system report table to highlight all rows. Now you can right-click in the table and go to NTH day in the menu, and it will show you the performance of alt systems or trade in sample or no trade out of sample systems. We'll select the no trade option, which will show us the results of the systems on the skipped data. Select yes when it asks if you'd like to backtest all systems on the skipped data. It will take several minutes to run. On the no trade option, rank the systems by net profit. This will show you the best systems on the out of sample data. These are the systems we will concentrate on. You will notice the best systems on the in sample data are almost never the best systems on out of sample data. Go through the best 10 to 20 no trade systems and double click the NTH day cell in the row of the system until it shows the combined metrics. The NTH day cell will show all, which gives you the combined in sample and out of sample results. Now, right-click on several of these systems and select Verify. You can highlight more than one row. The verification may take a couple of minutes to show results. Once verified, you should notice that the degradation on the verification data should be low if you're using similar data. For instance, in our example we verified the system on the same data with random noise added, plus the slightly different timeframes of 25-minute and 35-minute data, among others. The verification equity curves followed the same shape and degradation was limited at between 9% and 14% depending on the system. This is acceptable. The key to system building is discovering the processes that results in little or no degradation when running the system on out-of-sample or unseen data. We will cover additional ways to build robust systems in other videos. For those systems that pass the verification and NTH day checks, you can run a walk-forward analysis. To run a walk-forward analysis, right-click on a system row and select Walk-Forward Analysis from the menu. Select Genetic Algorithm Multi-Threaded. Given the earlier robustness checks, the walk-forward analysis should generate equity curves similar to the existing systems. The key metrics in the analysis are roll stability, this should be above 40, anchor stability above 20 and equity Bollinger above 80%. These are found in the top left-hand side of the equity graphs. To view the full metrics of the walk-forward analysis, go to the Walk-Forward tab on the top menu. Ideally, the inputs for the system indicators should remain relatively stable throughout. We'll cover walk-forward analysis in more detail in another video. Finally, after you have analyzed a variety of suitable system candidates, you can now export some of them to your trading software. To export the script, go to the Script tab and copy and paste the code for your trading software. GSB will generate script for TradeStation, MultiCharts and NinjaTrader. You can choose which program to download the system for, from the drop-down menu. Right-click on the script and select Copy to Clipboard. Open your trading software and go to the editor. This is Easy Language for TradeStation, the Power Editor in MultiCharts and the NinjaTrader Editor in NinjaTrader. Paste the code, verify or compile it. Go to the workspace with the market you have built the system for and insert the strategy. View the system report and make sure it matches with the performance in GSB. It should be exactly the same. Let's take a look at a system we just built. Here is the strategy performance report in the trading system software. The only difference is the start and end date of the test between GSB and our trading software. This is the equity curve in our trading software. Here are the trades in GSB. On the 27th of August 2018 it shows a profit of $200. Here are the trades in our trading software. You can find the same trade, on the same date, showing a profit of $200. If you pause the video you can check a few more as well. A perfect match. And that is how you build a day trading system in GSB for TradeStation, MultiCharts and NinjaTrader. If you need support, please email us at support@gsbpro.com. Happy trading!